how does the simplification will be implemented when you have different variables. Different variables can be used in different function. Like grouping of ones allow you to simplify the expression. Since we are using gray code, again it is 1 1 then 1 0. Hello students, welcome to the next session of Digital Electronics. I am Dr. Soumya Shri from Department of Computer Science, Vidyashram College. In the last session, I explained you about one of the method of simplification of the Boolean function. You remember? The method that we have used is using a table of minterms and max terms, which can be called as the Karnaugh map, or simply you can call it as K-map, right? In this session, let's continue the previous concept of simplification of the K-map with few examples and how does the simplification will be implemented when you have different variables in the function. Okay, let's start with this session. In this K-map, we are using different variables. Okay, different variables can be used in different function. Like you can have a function of single variable like complement and non-complement. You can have x as a variable. X can have two values, 0 and 1. But you cannot perform any operation or you cannot create any circuit with single variable function. Alright. Next is the two variables. You can use two variables like x and y or a and b or p and q, anything. When you have two variables, you can have 2 to the power of 2, 4 different permutations of the values, isn't it? Suppose if you have a and b, you can have two values, for one value for a and another value for b. Then you can have 0 and 1 combinations of permutation and combination of 0 and 1 like this, which is already familiar for you. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. That is 2 to the power of 2, 4 combination you can have. Another type of function you can have is function with three variables like x, y, z or a, b, c or p, q, r, anything you can take. The function with three variables. Three variables will have 2 to the power of 3, 8 different combination of 0 and 1, isn't it? Next variable or next function you can have is function with 4 variables. 4 may be a, b, c, d or w, x, y, z or p, q, r, s, any name you can give, but with 4 variables. 4 variables will have 2 to the power of 4. How much combinations? 16 different combinations of the 0 and the 1. Alright. Next we have maximum is 4 variables. More than 4 if it is there, it will have 5 variables, 6 variables like that. But for our convenience or most of the circuit uses maximum of 4 variables. In this session, I am going to explain you how does the simplification and K-map construction simplification varies with the number of variables. Okay. The first thing is to know how does the two variable map will work. Already we have known about the two variable map, but let's just revise this thing. Okay. Here ordering of the values is important. Okay, whether you take x1 in column or x1 in row, x2 in column or x2 in row. Based on that, the value in the cell changes. Okay, in some cells, not all the cells. In some cells, the value which will be held by that cell will change based on the position of the variables. Okay, if you have two variables, x1 and x2, you can take x1 in the row, x2 in the column, or x2 in the row and x1 in the column. No much difference in that. Okay, here cell 0 represents the same value in whatever combination or whatever arrangement you have done with the variables. So this will have m0, it will have 0, 1, m1. If you take this as m0, m1, m2 and m3, if you have 4 value combinations, 4 different combinations, it can be listed like this: m0, m1, m2, m3. When the variable's position changes, it will become m0, m1, m2, m3. But all the 4 variables or 4 combinations of 0 and 1 in 2 variables will be represented in this K map. Alright, here we have an example of 2 variable map. Okay, we have 2 variables, that means you can have 4 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, where 0 can be represented as complement of the variable and 1 can be represented as non-complement form of the variable. Alright, here we have x1, x2, 0, 0 will be represented as x1 dash, x2 dash. Okay, you can represent it as x1 dash, x2 dash, or you can go for x1 dash, x2 dash. Nothing much difference in this. Either you can use this representation, x1 dash, x2 dash, or you can represent the hyphen above the variable name. It doesn't make much difference. Whatever is convenient for you, you can use that representation. Alright, x1 dash, x2 dash will be the complement form of x1 and x2 representing 0, 0. Then we have x1 dash, x2 dash, that means complement of the x, that is 0. x2 is in normal state, which is set to 1. That means m1. Next we have x1, x2 dash. That means x1 is in normal form, 1. x2 dash is in complement form, 1, 0. That means m0 plus m1 plus m2. Okay. How you can simplify is by returning those values in the K map. First one is m0. m0 will be returned here. Next is the m1. m1 can be represented in this. Okay. Then we have m2, 1, 0, 1, 0. So it will be represented here. Okay. Decimal equivalent is 0, 1, 2, 3. So these values can be grouped. Okay. Once placed in K map for specified min terms. You have to represent each min term as a 1 in the K map. Okay. Grouping of ones allow you to simplify the expression. Alright. We have the representation. You have to group the ones. The rules for the grouping has been already explained in the previous sessions. So it will be grouped. You can make the group of 4 ones because the last cell has the value 0. So you cannot put 1 or you cannot group the ones. That means you must have 3 ones. That means you can make group of 2. There is no way you can minimize the number of groups. You must have 2 groups. As I said, the complement and non-complement form of a single variable gets cancelled, or the state of the variable which changes will be cancelled. Only the values which doesn't change its state will be kept in the expression, Boolean expression. So in this, x1 variable is changing the state, that is 0 and 1, complement and non-complement form. So x1 will be cancelled. In this group, remains is the 0. 0 is in non-complement form, isn't it? So 0 will be in complement form. That means it will be x2 dash. When you take another group, here x2, in this group, x2 is changing the state. It is not constant, it is changing, or you have the complement and non-complement form of the x2 in this group. So we cancel the x2 variable. Now in this group we have the x1 dash. x1 dash can be combined now to form the min term, which is represented here. Okay, the representation gives you the simplified expression x1 dash plus x2 dash. All right, x1 dash plus x2 dash, or x2 dash plus x1 dash. There is no difference if you change the position of the variable. Okay, what function is represented by each dashed rectangle? Each rectangle, what it is going to represent is x1 dash, that is x1 dash will represent m0 plus m1, m0 plus m1, whereas x2 dash represents m0 plus m2. So it has been simplified to get only 2 min terms with single variable. You have x1 dash plus x2 dash. What is the significance of minimizing the number of variables and number of min terms? You will get to know about this in the session where you will get to know about construction of the gates or construction of the circuits. The simplification part of reducing the number of variables in the expression and number of min terms in the function will be helpful when you are creating the or when you are constructing the gates. All right. Now let us move on to the third variable map, 3 variable map. All right. There are 8 cells. Since it is 2 to the power of 3, we have 8 cells that can be represented like this. So that is A, B, C. You can represent. We have seen another type of representation, another combination of this table like this with different representation of row and column like this. A, B, C, 0, 1. C will have 2 values, 0, 1. A, B will be like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You know about the gray code, changing 1 bit at a time. So it will be 0, 1 followed by 1, 1 and 1, 0. So this will be 0, 0, 0 or A dash, B dash, C dash. Next we have 0, 1, 0, or you can have different combinations. A dash, B, C dash. Then we have A, B, C dash. This is A, B dash, C dash. Then we have A dash, B dash, C, A dash, B, C, A, B, C, A, B dash, C. You can represent the table like this also with inverted rows and columns. You can use this 4 variable map for representing. If you look at the example, minimize the following equation using K map. What are the combinations you have? A dash, B dash, C dash, A dash, B, C dash, A, B dash, C, then A, B, C. Okay, this will be 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 7. Now, you have to take this combination. First min term is A dash, B dash, C dash. That means 0. It will be set here. 1 will be set. Next, you have A dash, B, C dash, 0, 1, 0. That is 2. 0, 1, 0 here. 2 will be represented as 1. Then 5. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. Then 7. 1, 1, 1. Okay. You have 4 ones in this K map. In this, there is no way you can have more number of ones in the group. You cannot minimize the number of groups, neither you can maximize the number of variables because they are arranged separately. Therefore, you have to make group of 2 with 2 variables each. Okay. Now, what is a simplified expression? In this, you have to check with each of the variable. First variable you can take it is A. This is A. You don't have the complement and non-complement form of A. That means both are residing in the same state, 0, 0 in the complement form. So you cannot cancel the variable A. It must remain in the expression. Next is B. B is changing the state. It is having complement and non-complement form. That means you can cancel the variable B. When you look at C, C doesn't have any changes because only C is associated, not complement form of C is associated, not the non-complement form. So you cannot cancel. Since you have only one variable, you cannot cancel the variable C. Now we remain A in the complement form and C in the complement form. So the expression will be A dash, C dash. A dash, complement form of A dash, complement form of C, C dash. Okay. Now, you'll get another min term from this group. Okay. Now, check again with both all the 3 variables. Again, A is not changing the value. That means the complement and non-complement form is not present. It is retaining the state, non-complement form of A. So, you cannot cancel the variable A. Next comes is the B. Yes, B is changing the state, or the value of B is not remaining in the same state. It is changing to complement form from non-complement form, or from complement form to non-complement form. So, you have to cancel again the variable B in this group. Okay. Now, if you look at C, you don't have the complement form of C in this. Only non-complement form is present. You cannot cancel non-complement form. Now, the remaining is A in the non-complement form, that is A only. Now, we have C again in complement, non-complement form, it will be C. A dash C plus A C. Okay, this is the simplified expression from the function with 4 minterms and 3 variables in 4 minterms. We have 4 minterms with all the 3 variables. It has been reduced to function of 2 minterms with only 2 variables. It has reduced the complexity and the space needed for construction of the circuit. Okay, we have A dash C dash plus AC, or you can represent it as A dash C dash plus AC. A into C. There is no difference in this. Only representation is change. Someone uses this representation while others uses this representation. A dash C dash plus AC is the simplified form of the expression. Okay. For upper group, A and C are constants. They are not changing the value. Only B is varying. So neglect or cancel B. A and C both are 0. So it will be A dash C dash. For the lower group, A and C are constant and B is varying. That means there are complement and non-complement form in B. Therefore, neglect or cancel the variable B. Again, remained is the A and C variable. Both are 1 or in non-complement form. Hence, the output of this group is AC. Simplified expression will be Y equals A dash into C dash plus A into C. Alright. In case of 4 variables, you can represent 4 variables like this, AB, CD, or like this, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You can have decimal equivalent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Or you can represent with the help of the variables like this, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Again, A dash B, A dash B dash, C dash D, A dash B dash, C D. That means 0, 0, 1, 1. It is 3. Then you can have 0, 0, 1, 0. That is 2, equivalent of 2, A dash, B dash, C dash, C into D dash. Next you have A dash, B, C dash, D dash. Next A dash, B, C dash, D. Alright. Next you have A dash, B into C into D. Then you have A dash into B into C into D dash. That means representing 0, 1, 1, 0. It will be equivalent of the 6, isn't it? Then you have A into B into C dash into D dash, 1, 1, 0, 0. Since we are using grey code, again it is 1, 1, then 1, 0. Okay. Then A into B into C dash into D. Then you have A into B into C into D. Then A into B into C into D dash. Alright. Next you have A into B dash into C dash into D dash. A into B dash into C dash into D, representing 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That means equivalent of 9, isn't it? Then you have A into B dash into C into D will be 1, 0, 1, 1. Decimal equivalent of 11. That means 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Alright. Next we have 1, 0, 1, 0. Again, follow, if you don't get the value, you check with 8, 4, 2, 1. That means 8 plus 4 is 12. So you can have, for 12 representation, it will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Isn't it? 12 representation will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Like this. You can take the 8, 4, 2, 1 representation of the 1 and the 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, or A into B dash into C into D dash. You have the 4 variable representation. Okay. How do you solve this 4 group map is, so you can have step 1 is grouping, step 2 output of each group, step 3 final output. Okay. What is the answer you can take? How many variables or how many groups you can make in this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have the expression where you have 1 in all these combinations. Okay. How many groups you can make? How many variables you can make? They have given you the answer. I have given you. But how does this can be obtained? Let's check with this. Okay. Here you have 1, 1. Can you combine this with this? Or can you combine with this? Like, first you can group these ones. Okay. Group of 4 ones. You can group 4 ones. Then 1, 1, 1, 1. You can group these values. As you know of wrapping of the groups. Okay. You can make the group like this. Group of 4 variables. Then you can have another group. Again with 4 ones. You remember about the rules of simplification. That is, you can make the wrap around of the values which are in the end. Isn't it? Then another group again with 4 ones. So you have these 3 groups. 1, 2 and 3 you can get. Now let us check with the values. This is group 1. Anything you can take. Then this is group 2. This is group 3. First group, second group and third group. When you minimize these values, first let us check with the first group. Okay. Now we have the variables A, B with 4 combination. When you check with A, B, so A is changing the values, complement and non-complement form. So what happens? The variable A is cancelled. Next, when you check with the variables of B, 0, 1, 1, 0. Again, it is also changing. So cancel the variable B. Okay. Now, all the 4 combinations are there with complement and non-complement form. So both A and B will be cancelled here. Okay. Now let's check with C and D. Okay. C is not having any complement form or the value is not changing. So you can keep it the C. Again, D also has only one form. It is not changing. So you can keep the variables C and D, where C is in non-complement form and D is in complement form. So the expression for first group will be C, D dash. C, D dash. Now, let us check with the second group. In the second group, we have the variable AB, again CD. Now, you have to check this 0, 0, this group, and the last value, this group. Okay? Then, these two combinations and these two combinations must be matched or compared. When you compare these two, the variable A is changing its state, isn't it? Complement and non-complement form. So, what you have to do is cancel the variable A. Next, when you check with the variable B, B is having constant state. That means in both the cells, in both the rows, it is in the complement form. So, it will be B dash. You can consider the B variable. When you check with these two combinations, with the variable C and D, when you look with the variable C, C is not changing the state. So, you can keep the C, whereas the variable D is changing its state from non-complement to complement form. They have the non-complement and complement form. So, it will be cancelled. That means variable D will be cancelled. Now, group 2 has the minterm B and C, where B is in the complement form. That means B dash. C is in the non-complement form. It will be C, B dash C. Now, let us check with the third group. Third group is checking these two values and these two values, variables from these two values. When you check here, the variable A is changing its state. That is, it has both the complement and non-complement form. What you have to do now? Ignore variable A or cancel variable A. B is not changing its state. It is remaining in the non-complement form only. It will be considered. When you check with these combination, okay, these two groups, when you wrap this will become adjacent values, adjacent cells. So, you have to consider these two combinations of 0 and 1. When you check with the variable C, C is changing the state, complement and non-complement form. What must be done? C must be ignored or cancelled. Let's check with the variable D. D is not changing the state. It is remaining in the complement state in both the cells. So, you can consider D. The group will have the expression B and D, where B is in the non-complement form, whereas D is in the complement form. So, you have B into D dash. Now, combine these three groups expression, combine these three expressions, it will have the expression C into D dash, C into D dash plus B dash C plus BD dash. Okay. All the three expressions are obtained from three groups. Okay. You can try to minimize the number of groups so that number of minterms will be minimized. But you don't have any chance of minimizing the group in this. Only you can have three groups. Okay. Now we have the expression C into D dash plus B dash into C plus B into D dash. In the next session, I'm continuing with the different examples of implementing or simplifying the expression in some of the products using the Carnot map or K map. Thank you.